Everyone wants a piece of SpaceX before it goes public, but what if I told you the real secret is a $3 stock you've probably never heard of? Welcome back. Today we are looking at a hidden micro-cap company that is effectively the backdoor play to a pre-IPO monopoly. Starlink has over 7,000 satellites in orbit, but getting massive amounts of data back down to Earth through bad weather requires something called E-band frequencies. The problem? Generating that much brute force power using modern gallium nitride microchips creates a physics nightmare. They generate so much heat they literally melt themselves. Enter Filtronic, a brilliant British engineering firm from Sedgefield. Their flagship Cirrus 32 amplifier completely solves this melting bottleneck. They hold a commercial monopoly on high power, E-band, solid-state amplifiers at scale. The demand is so high, SpaceX currently occupies their entire factory. But Elon Musk isn't just buying their hardware, he's securing their future. Through a warrant agreement, SpaceX can acquire up to 15% of Filtronic's equity as they deliver orders. Furthermore, SpaceX is actively funding Filtronic's research and development for next-generation V-band networks, giving them a huge financial incentive for the stock to surge. This creates a massive dilemma for competitors like Amazon Kuiper. To compete with Starlink's signal, they can't rely on older, weaker tech or congested frequencies. Most likely, they'll have to pay Filtronic. Tellingly, Filtronic recently announced an $8 million contract with an undisclosed US monopoly. Financially, this isn't a cash-burning startup, it's a highly profitable cash machine. Filtronic boasts zero debt, a staggering 121% revenue growth, and they recently locked in a £47 million mega order. However, be aware of the concentration risk, as SpaceX currently dominates their forward revenue. To summarize, Filtronic has cracked the impossible E-band bottleneck, securing a commercial monopoly. With SpaceX taking up to 15% equity, expansion into V-band consumer terminals, and flawless financials, this company is perfectly positioned for explosive growth. SpaceX's partnership is just the beginning for this hidden gem. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, hit that subscribe button for the Alpha Spot channel right now, and never miss out on our exclusive stock market insights.